Kahiloa is designed to give you something to think about. This process also gives the client something to think about. Now, the loving touch, you're touching certain places and points on the body. And so, all this one, you've got to think of them. This is the loving touch of a friend, of an angel, of someone you care about very much. You're going down the center of the body first, and then you're going down the joints along the side. And a sweep down the body. Crown, base of the neck, middle of the back, base of the spine. Because what you've done is you've touched in a sequence that the ku remembers, and it remembers the previous touch when you're making the new one. And the effect then is to feel totally integrated. This brings all the parts of the body back into awareness, and you feel together, complete and whole. That's why something this simple can have such a strong effect. With the fingertips down around the neck, and it can flow back and forth. It's that sense of love and compassion and caring that people can feel through your fingers. They'll feel it.